Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I am Gayathri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make eggless brookies. Brookies are a combination of brownie and cookie. This is the ingredient list we need and I have also given this in the description box below. Please take a look. First let us melt butter and chocolate together in a double boiler. Make sure that the bowl of chocolate doesn't touch the water below. Keep the flame on medium or low until the chocolate melts to a smooth mixture. Remove the bowl and allow it to cool completely. Before starting it, you need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Now add the brown sugar, baking powder and milk and mix it until the sugar melts completely. If you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and please comment to share your thoughts on the video and also share it with your friends. Add vanilla essence and mix it well. Now we'll add the flour in 2 batches and mix the thick batter. Use good quality chocolate for these brookies. You can buy any Cadbury's or any type of chocolate like that. Don't use a chocolate compound. The taste with the good quality chocolate is very good. And for baking, you can use either cupcake liners or any silicone molds. I'll be using silicone mold for this and I'll be making 5 brookies with this batter. And also take a look at my blog gayathriscookspot.com for more recipes. Once the batter is ready, divide it between the silicone mold. And with a spoon, level the top of the batter. Add some chocolate chips on top and bake it in the preheated oven for 15 minutes. You can't check this with a toothpick because the brownie will be very fudgy. Just take it out at 15 minutes and allow it to cool. Remove it from the mold and serve it along with a cup of milk or coffee. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.